It Like Lisa here, and I have the last Planners Anonymous unboxing to do for 2019. I can't wait to tuck into this one. This one is gorgeous. So let's open and have a look. This is just stunning, the colors in this. The kit is called Northern Lights, and it is purple and pink inspired Christmassy, or not necessarily Christmassy, probably more wintry, like a Northern Lights wintry theme. So I'll get everything out and we'll go through it as per normal. So I like to start with the papers because they're just so pretty. In this month's kit, like I say in all of them, you get 6 double-sided sheets and 6 different designs. So the first one we have is this one, which is just stunning. Oh, how cute is that? And then on the back of that is your purple watercolor. So you get 2 of those. You get 2 of each design. Okay, so that's the first 2. Just beautiful. The second one is a nice floral design in the pinks and purples, and then on the back is your watercolor as well. So again, just beautiful sheets. This one I absolutely love. So we've got all of our wintry scenes, the mountain ranges, the pine trees and the birds, and some paintbrushes here. And then on the back is your watercolor in a light purple, which is just beautiful. So there are our papers. Then we also get in the kit a vellum sheet. So the vellum sheet is like a see-through sort of sheet. And then we also get an acetate sheet, which is a clear plastic sheet. And on this month's kit, it is it's got some holographic stars and hearts and snowdrops, which just looks stunning. So you can pair those off with one of the pages as well. So say if we got our first kit, you can pair it off like that and just have it as an overlay or whatever paper craft you're doing. Just gorgeous. I love, love, love all the papers. So that's the papers we get for this month. Now, in our little goodie bag, I'll start with our die cuts, which had looked just so cute this month. First up, we have a art card. These are called art cards. You can use them in your planner. I like to use mine as like a dashboard or something like that in my planner, and just gorgeous. We also have our pocket for the month, which is this one here. So they're perforated on the edges, like I show you every month, but just in case this is your first video. So you can create a pocket with that one there and even stick it on like that if you want. Then the other die cuts that are included this month are a little mason jar with some flowers. We have a paintbrush here, some colored pencils. We've got our pine trees, some flowers, a compass, some letters in an envelope. Oh, look at him, so cute. Polar bear, some more flowers, the mountain ranges, a paint tube. We've got some postcards here, another paint tube, and a watercolor palette. How stunning do they look? I really, really love the color schemes this month. This is just gorgeous. So next we have our stamp kit for the month. We always get a stamp kit. So in the stamp kit, you typically get the girl of the month. And then normally the stamps will be some of the die cuts and sticker images that you'll have throughout the kit as well. And as well as a few little quotes and words down the bottom here. So that is our stamp kit for the month, just stunning. Next we have our bookmark. So we've got, always have a bookmark with the girl of the month or guy. We've had a couple of guys. So this is the girl of the month this month, and her name is Amali. And yeah, you could use that as a page marker or a bookmark, whatever you like. Next we get a packet of journal cards. So in the journal cards, we have Never Stop Looking Up, If Not Now When, The World Is Your Canvas, Light Up Your Life, Make a Wish, We Are All Made of Stars, and then the backing sheet you can also use as a decor in your planner as well. So that's our journal cards for this month. And it just makes it so easy when you're decorating your planner that everything coordinates. Like, that's pretty important to me when I'm doing my planner. So next we have our pen of the month, which is just stunning. Again, it's a twist top biro pen. They write beautifully. We have Planners Anonymous on the clip, and then the gemstones and the color there of the pen to match with this month's theme as well. So that's our pen. Our washi tapes, oh, just stunning. So we get 3 washi tapes, the large, medium, and that one's so pretty. So they're our washi tapes for this month. Absolutely beautiful, and they have silver accents on them as well. Now, also with the kit, you get a sticker pack. So this comes with the standard kit. And this month stickers include these ones here. We always get the girl as well as for the sticker kit, as part of the sticker kit. And then a lot of the images repeated through the die cuts and imagery in the papers as well. We got our little guy here as well this time. Some nice little pictures there. We've got our little icons. And then our days of the week. So that's the kit that comes with the standard kit. Now, I also purchase the additional sticker kit, which is $19.95 more. But I just love stickers. I love decorating with stickers, and you get a hell of a lot of stickers in the additional kit. So to me, it's worth it. If you're not into stickers, then, you know, it probably wouldn't be to you. But yeah, you do get a lot of stickers in the extra kit. So this is what you get in the extra kit, and they're all different to the one that comes with the standard kit as well. So this is your first one. You've got some box stickers there as well. And that one. I've got some decor stickers. Polar bears and pine trees. Some flowers. You get a quote page. Just some little decor stickers. How gorgeous are they? You also get some box stickers. So if you've got an Erin Condren type planner where you use the box stickers for decor, this one as well. Just stunning. The pictures are gorgeous. Some more little decor stickers there. We've got our numbers throughout the month. And then you get 4 more pages in the coordinating colors of the days of the week. So if you want to decorate your planner for the whole month in the same theme, you've got coordinating colors to do that with. So you've got your days of the week, your trackers, some little note sort of stand out little swipes and paint swipes and that sort of thing to make different dates stand out. And then you get 2 little sheets of the cartoon girls as well, which are really cute. So that's the stickers for this month, and again, that's an additional sticker pack. And now also in this month you get a bonus item. I think every month we get a bonus item, like a mystery item, and this month is like a little sticker album. So it's a PVC album with little pouches in that you can slot your stickers in here, and it has got the northern lights, if not now when, in a holographic, as well as the mountain range going along the back. And then the same as the acetate sheet. Just gorgeous. How pretty is that? So you can store anything in that. You can store the stickers that you get in this. You know, make a little photo album out of it, whatever you like. So that's the bonus item in this month's kit. And that is it for this month. Absolutely stunning kit. I'm really, really impressed with it again. I've got a discount code. If this is the first time you're watching it, and you're interested in subscribing, it's a monthly planner subscription. It's an Australian company. I will leave their website details below. I will also include a discount code that you can use. If it's your first time purchasing a kit, you can get 10% off your first kit, which is quite a good saving. So the standard kit is $44.95, about $45. And the additional sticker kit is $19.95. So I pay about $64 for my standard, like for the kit that I order is about $64 a month. So yeah, if you're interested, definitely check out the website below. Definitely use my discount code to get 10% off your first kit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.